Greetings from Nyckelvikens Herrgård, or actually very close to Nyckelvikens Herrgård, the farm, Nyckelviken, with all the home animals over there, sheep, cows, goats, I think, and other stuff, and other animals as well. But this is actually on the coast of the Baltic Sea, right next to the farm, in the most beautiful nature of the nature reserve, Nyckelviken. Viken means actually bay, now that I recall it, as there is a bay over there, and there is a big bay and small bay, Stora och Lilla Nyckelviken. This is, I think, in the middle where I am right now, and I have been on this exact same beach last year, not sure on which day though, but today is 5th of July, and that means it is Happy Friday. Let me just check the current temperature in the air. What Google says, 17 degrees Celsius in the air, but it feels a bit warmer when the sun is up, to be fair. However, the bad news is that the sea over here, it's very cold for the time of the year, I mean to say. It is only 14 degrees Celsius, so this part of the Baltic Sea doesn't warm up that much because it is also very deep. There are many boats that passing by here. I don't know, it takes unusually long time for this part of the Baltic Sea that is closer to the center of Stockholm to be warmed up. So I'm all alone here today, here with my gravel bike. It is around 50 kilometers to reach here, and let's then take a swim and enjoy like we always do. On this 5th of July, it is time for day number 84 on my Sweden beach adventures. So we continue with the beach adventures despite July not offering that great weather as we have had in June and May. So May was warmer than July so far. Let's see if that will remain as it is. Now here it is a bit difficult to get into the water, so let me try to find the best way in. I think it is quite deep enough also to just glide in after I get to some extent. Let's see. And there is also over there a boat that are chilling over there. There are some houses over there that live there in the middle of the nature reserve, and I can see that is probably Lidingö on the other side. Central Islands over there. Alright, let's go over here maybe. And let's find a way into the water. Probably here it is better, as I can see. It's the same everywhere, so all right. Okay, let's then go in because it is the same slippery everywhere. Oops. Oh, it's so slippery, so I go in right away. Whew. So cold. Oh my god, I can't believe I was actually swimming in 0 degrees Celsius, but it feels a lot colder, and it's 14 degrees. To be fair, it's on the top layer where I measured. It might be even colder. Look at the beach, the rocky beach. I'm freezing, so this is gonna be a very short swim here. So thank you so much for watching from Nyckelvikens Herrgård, the coast beach, the rocky beach, here in the Nyckelviken Nature Reserve. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.